Pakistan in international organizations. Joining dates. Pakistan joined UN in 1947. Pakistan joined ILO in 1947. Pakistan joined FAO in 1947. Pakistan joined UNESCO in 1949. Pakistan joined World Bank in 1950. Pakistan joined IMF in 1950. Pakistan joined CETO in 1954. Pakistan left CETO in 1973. Pakistan joined CENTO in 1955. Pakistan left CENTO in 1979. Pakistan joined OIC in 1969. Pakistan joined NAM in 1979. Pakistan joined SAARC in 1985. Pakistan joined WTO in 1995. Pakistan joined SCO in 2017.